Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm here at my mama's house. Come give me a kiss. Give me a little bit of sugar. It's Valentine's Day, and I'm here to make your Valentine's Day super special. This is a fantastic side dish for whatever you might be doing. Do you like roasted chicken on Valentine's Day? Do you like steaks? Whatever you like. This, y'all, is fresh asparagus, and I'm gonna wrap it in a phyllo dough. Don't be discouraged. It's 4 little simple ingredients. It's very easy. I've taken a sheet of phyllo dough, and I'm gonna cut it this way. Okay, we've got some melted butter, we got Parmesan cheese, and we've taken asparagus. And you know you don't cut your asparagus, you grab it from the other end, and wherever it naturally breaks, that's where it get into the tenderness that you really like. So I'm only gonna do 5 of these today. This reminds me so much when Jack was in a pre-K, I guess maybe, for his first Halloween party. I saw the cutest recipe. You take phyllo dough and you wrap up string cheese and you make ghosts and you decorate them. And boy howdy, I waited till the morning of that party and I learned a lesson. That was the first time I'd done that. Do not wait till the last minute to do kid stuff like that. So here's 1. I'm gonna do 5 bundles. And see how long this is? And it's very, very, very thin. So y'all make sure when you pull this out, you get one of these, one of these. Got my extra one right here. So Valentine's Day is one of those things that I've told my wife before we got married, listen, I'm just not a big Valentine's Day guy. Christmas card, you know, the card business and the flower business. But you know what? I brought my wife roses home like 2 weeks ago. So I like to do it when not everybody's doing it, but Valentine's Day is a sweet day to recognize the person that takes care of you. So this is gonna be delicious. I got our melted butter and our phyllo dough here. What I'm gonna do is just spread a little bit of butter on here. We want this really to crisp up and turn brown. It's gonna be so good. And you gotta work pretty quick because once this gets thawed out, it is paper thin. I'm gonna make sure and get some butter on here. Also, the butter is gonna work as a good sticking agent for our Parmesan cheese. Look, I'm gonna put just enough Parmesan in here to where we can tell what it is. I'm not making a grilled cheese here, not too much. And then take a couple of your asparagus. I'm gonna let the tips show because they're so pretty. And you roll this up. Great goodness. Who thought of this? Oh, my mama did. This is from her cookbook. Now, when these dry out, they get very, very, very tender. Like they will crack and crinkle and dry up in no time.
Yes, they will.
Just enough in here to really be able to taste.
I love the Parmesan cheese in them.
Who doesn't love a wrapped up surprise? I've got these stem side down, seam side down. So I'm gonna brush these with a little butter so they'll brown up really nice. And just because I've got some extra here, I'm gonna put it just a little bit.
Oh, yay, yes.
And I tell you,
You want, would you like some fresh rosemary or parsley for them?
a little bit of black pepper on top just to give it some color.
For my birthday party, Jamie, excuse me, Chris, my little friend, gave me 2 rosemary trees, and I just love them.
Nice.
And you just run by and
I need one of those.
you do.
So this is it, steam side down, a little bit of butter on the top. I put a little bit of pepper on there just to kind of break it up. This is gonna brown up.
This is like
super
tissue
nice.
paper. This is what
15 or 18 minutes into the oven, y'all. Y'all look at that. Isn't that pretty? See how these cooked up? Now it looks like you went to a lot of trouble, but you saw how simple they were, and it really is a perfect side dish for a special night, just like Valentine's night. Let's give it a test drive, y'all want to? See, it's crisp up, so good. Y'all like asparagus? I love it. Phyllo dough doesn't add a whole lot of flavor, but it sure does ramp up the wow factor. It's delicious, y'all. Parmesan, fresh asparagus, a little phyllo dough. Happy Valentine's Day. Y'all go kiss somebody you love. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.